3 critical mistakes that cost building owners thousands in HVAC expenses. First, ignoring your building's unique needs leads to inefficient systems that drain your budget. Smart owners analyze their space requirements before installation. Second, overlooking energy efficiency is financial suicide in today's market. The right system pays for itself through reduced operating costs. Finally, neglecting long-term support leaves you vulnerable when problems arise. Partner with National AIRCON. We stand behind their work. At National AIRCON, we engineer comfort and deliver excellence by avoiding these costly pitfalls. Your building deserves nothing less than precision climate control backed by professional support.